Hey, what size turbo is that? 76. That's a big ass 76, dude.
Drove this bitch. I was hoping it didn't freaking rain or anything, so because I did notice there was some water. So yeah. But man, I already made 2 pulls. I'm gonna make one last one with a little bit more boost. And we should be good to go.
How are the first 2 pulls?
They were good, nice and smooth. Everything was fucking great. So. So, finally done with this one. This was a pretty cool deal. This was, we literally turned this around in right around 2 weeks, give or take, from dropping it off to installing everything. We did oil pump gears, we did the 4 Innovations fuel system, the BLFAB single turbo kit install, and Lethal Performance dual clutch or twin disc clutch setup. For the most part, everything went really smooth. The kit's a little tricky to install. There's no instructions with it or anything like that, but going back and forth with Cy in regards of it, we managed to kind of get it installed as good as we could, and it fits really well. I'm happy with it. We made 985. Yeah, so we made 986 horsepower on right at 15 pounds of boost, and I just have to adjust the sensitivity in the boost controller just so it'll carry the power. But yeah, if it didn't drop the power back here and it carried all the way through, it'll probably make 1050, you know. But it's good. It's stock motor still, stock transmission. This MT's 82s, they're not the most reliable transmissions for them, to say the least. But yeah, man, this thing's good to go. I wanted to get it back to him because he hanged out with the On the Gas crew and everybody for, they have a big event this weekend, October Truck Madness, and he's, you know, affiliated with those guys. So if I could do everything in my power to get it back to him so he can have some boost to pull up with, we did it, you know. I'm happy with it. Boys at Lund Racing got me taken care of. Angel the boy with the boosted alarms, he got us the 1 ethanol that we needed for it, fuel-wise. And other than that, man, everything's good. Appreciate Cy for all the little help. This thing looks good, runs good. I drove it here. It's nice. It's really nice. Happy and excited to get it back to him. But yeah, we're done here at the dyno. Probably got only you guys only got to see 1 pool, but the other 2 pools were like super simple, which was wastegate. I think 25-30% on the duty cycle on the boost controller, and then, you know, this, which is our last pool. So anyways, this thing's good to go. Get it back to the shop, give it a quick once over, and have them come pick it up, man, and we're done. Give me, watch this one.
Mm-hmm.
What size shirt you wear, Nate?
Large.
Oh, you shit out of luck. I ain't got no way.
It was just a question. Look.
Damn, man, it came out real good, dude.
Yep.
It's a lot bigger than I expected it to be.
Yeah, that's what she said. I was gonna ask you what turbo is it?
It's the in-house, the BLFAB turbo. It's a 7688.
Oh, okay.
And that's actually the smallest one that they had, or that's just their in-house.
Yeah.
So I was like, well, it is what it is. Man, shit, well, I'm ready to whoop some ass, I'll tell you that. Yeah, Red Bull gonna be the first one I'm whooping. Nah.
Man, for real, like, I was like, man, we gotta get it done. Hopefully we get it done. And man, we were literally done sitting for like 2 days waiting for them to send me a tune
The
for
tune?
it. I'm like, fuck, man. I messaged him. I'm like, bro, like, I'm trying to get it done. What's up? He's like, man, we're backed up. I'm like, all right,
Yeah.
well, let me know. And then this morning, he sent me a revision. Everything was good. I'm like, I'm on the way to Dyno. Fuck that. He's like, man, I can't see it live. He's like, but I'll make the adjustments. And I knew it was already close, you know?
Yeah.
So, man, we made 3-4 pulls, and we're good. We're done.
Man,
So.
it sounded real good.
Yeah.
It sounded like the motor wasn't even struggling.
Yeah, nah.
Like, it sounded just...
Nah, it spools up good. Everything is good.
Damn, that looks good, man.
I love the color.
Oh, I love the color,
I
man.
was just telling him, I was like, man, it's not often we get these colors, bro.
Oh boy, them tires look good in the back.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Maintenance. How often or oil change and everything to make sure the longevity of the motor is healthy and everything?
Man, I would do 2,500-ish, you know?
2,500 miles?
Yeah, 2,500, 3,000.
5W50?
I run 1030.
1030?
Yeah, I run 1030, and it works really well.
Okay.
We've played with the weight on these cars to try to get the VCT stuff to act right and not give you issues, and the 1030 works.
Okay.